Alright guys, so let's talk about KULR stock. I did alert 1,000 shares of KULR stock to start, just $1,000 worth, or $2,000 worth I should say. I just got confused because I was looking at one of these dollar stocks. I was looking at KULR stock, ALLR, but where is it? KULR. Okay, KULR stock. So what's the play on KULR stock? Okay, so I'm going to explain to you the strategy with KULR stock here. Let me add the WMA. So you guys know already, I've said this before, buying when it's way above that WMA, you're paying way too much for it. We just saw that with Palantir. What happened with Palantir, guys? You guys saw it firsthand what happened. This is very important. Wow, it's way above that purple line, and oof, what a drop. And yet, people are more than happy to pay a premium for it because buyers did step in and push it back above 100. Isn't that interesting? But that means there's enough people who believe this is worth 100. That's what that means. But when it comes down to that purple line, it's considered fair value. And underneath the purple line, you're buying at a huge discount. What happened with Nvidia? You guys remember? What happened? It dropped under the purple line. That was nothing more than a huge discount opportunity. Because the last time it did that was way back in 2023. Yeah, December to January, like at the beginning of January 2023, end of December 2022. Was the last time, think about that, 2 years ago was the last time we were under that purple line. So why am I showing you this? Okay, KULR stock. Well, you're getting a huge discount here compared to the suckers that bought up here, first of all. But second of all, we're getting close to that purple line anyways. And if it does come down there, I'm going to add more. But the most important thing is knowing what we're playing. What's the play here? Sure, you can flip it. Sure, you can wait for the purple line and buy in, or MACD crossover and flip it. The play here is we know that anytime this stock gets a contract, what happens? It moves. It moves. And it doesn't just move a little bit. It moves a lot of it. We've seen that in the past. I've shown it before. This was the biggest move we've ever had, but in the past, you know, from 10 cents to 90 cents. So what's that on 9x? That's insane, actually. Here it moved from 62 to, so that was what, almost 100% right there. Here it moved from a low of 104 to 2.22. So a nice, again, 100%er. So it likes to move, you know, a good amount every time it gets a contract or anything, any significant PR. And that's what I'm playing. That's the play I'm making. I don't care if it goes lower. That's why I only added very little. Like I only added $2,000 worth. That's nothing. I know some of you hold way more than that. Let's be real. I added $2,000 worth, and that's it. I'm gonna wait now for the next level, which should be around 170, and then I'll be looking to add down here at $1. It would be around $1. And as I just said, if you're buying at the purple line, you're buying at fair value, technically speaking. Underneath it, you're buying it at a huge discount. And when it was underneath it, what happened? Huge discount down here, and then it went kaboom to, what, $5? $5.50? That's how you have to think of it. It's a different mindset. So some of you might be confused, like, wait, you don't set a stop loss? No, that would be stupid, because it's a different kind of, again, different mindset, different kind of way of viewing the markets. We're holding for the big run. We're not going to be able to time the bottom, because bottoms sometimes break. But we know, because we know, and we have the conviction, and we know that, you know, likes to have a lot of pumps every year, you know, that's very obvious. We know all we have to do is just buy in, scale in as it goes lower, and then eventually we'll get the huge run. I believe that. It's going to take time. Too many people want money fast, and I'm just like, sir, it literally can take months. Like, we literally, the people who bought down here had to wait months for this huge run to happen. Palantir did not get to 125 very fast. It bottomed out at $5.84, and it took 2 years to get to where it is now. Or 2 years and 2 months, about somewhere around there. You get what I'm saying? Like, it's too many people have these unrealistic expectations. I keep it real with you, and I'm telling you, it's going to run again. It's going to take time. It might take months. Literally, we might just for months just go sideways here like this. And that's good. No one wants it right now. No one cares about it. And that's why I started buying now. I'm not playing the bottom. I'm not playing the MACD. I'm not even playing the WMA. I am now playing with conviction and believing that we will get another pump like it has the past couple of years. But you gotta have conviction. If it goes red, if it goes to $1, I'm not gonna sit here and cry. I'm gonna be like, you're giving me this even cheaper? Ho ho ho! Hell yeah! That's how you have to think of it. It's a different mindset. Yeah, I'm not gonna say it's mean reversion. No, that's not what it is. Mean reversion wouldn't work with this. Mean reversion works with Nvidia stock or the Bitcoin miners, and a bunch of other stocks, but not for KULR. KULR, you're essentially saying, I believe there's a catalyst underway sometime this year, and it's going to move it big. Even if this just moves 50%, that's a whole dollar move. That's still money. And like I said, I just showed you, it can move dollars. So don't be afraid. I'm going to start scaling in now. That's it. That's all I got to say. I think it's pretty obvious where I'm going with this. Now, if you don't believe that it's going to get a huge contract at some point that's going to move it, then you can feel free to short it back to 20 cents or whatever. But history does not favor you because it always has a huge run anyway. So you better take profit as you short it, I guess. You got to take profit somewhere along the way.